Guys, in the last video I showed you how to add green screen, which is from the easiest things to do, and if you didn't check it out. I'd show you how to add the green screen perfectly. In this tutorial I'll show you how to cut the green screen borders. Okay, let's say for example we have this green screen. Okay guys, so if you want to resize the green screen, look what happens. The borders are cut, which is a bad thing, which is an awful thing to be honest. So to avoid this problem, all you need to do is go to the color tab, press on this window and click on the circle, and boom, look what happens. Resize it, that's it, and we're done. Okay, now don't press anything, just move to the edit tab, and now boom, we can resize it. That's it. I want to put it here. No, let's put it here. It's done. Now you know how to resize your green screen, whatever green screen you have. Okay, support if you want by clicking this subscribe button. Okay guys, you can now resize any green screen you want just by this quick and easy tutorial, which is professional, of course. You also, if interested in videography, video editing, and how to make money making videos, subscribe to don't miss out.